Well, folks, I had to pull out the triple tandem tall for the first time I got a bit of a problem with it. Houston, we have a problem. So the chain is not actually the problem, it's my jack shaft. Can you see it from there? Can you see it going up and down? So the derailleur just falls down like that, and this should come out. What I think is one of the bearings here. Yeah, you can tell. See, the axle's not centered on that cassette, so it's this side. I have a problem. And that's now how I remember it. I can't take this off. I tried several times. I don't want to end up fucking wrecking it because this is really hard. This thing was, not hard to build, but I don't want to build another one. What's happened is when we refix this, and we can't take the cassette off, so the bearings are way down there. So I need to carefully put them in and slip that axle back in there. All right, I got the cassette off. Shit you not. Okay, so I had to rebuild this one, and as you can see, the tolerance is really, 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 really tight. So when I cleaned this off, that's what I found in there. Piece of shit. So that's why the axle was off to one side, and it was making it ovally riding. So now we can rebuild the axle. So we are going to make the axle. All right. Okay. So the reason I couldn't get the cassette off was because I was using my old vise, and it was just spinning it all the time. See, but then I bought that new vise, and it fucking worked great. Worked really great. So I'm happy. I don't want to rebuild these, but I am going to do some more welding here and clean this up and give it a few more tacks, and just to make sure she is good to go. I'll use a bearing set. I don't have new ones, so my grease and the thing. Let's see. Perfect. We got lots of them left. Nice. All right. Ooh, hey. That should do it. All right, that's all done, cleaned up. Let's see if she fits. Come on, get in there. Perfect. Okay, now let's start putting the bearings in. All right. All right, guys. Today my buddy came over, so I got a camera helper. Ooh, he's cheap too. So we're putting back together the axle, and I just got to be really careful because I have no tolerance, because I used the tube to make the axle. So if you like, what a normal bike mechanic does is he puts the bearings in first, then slides the axle in. Well, what's happened is that I've used the tube. It's given the tolerance inside here a lot smaller. So that's the problem with making this jack shaft like this. In reality, I should have just got off my ass and got went and got a proper axle made. Oh.
Hey Robbie.
Yes.
Say hi to your fans.
Hey guys, how's it going? Tonight I'm really excited. We're getting It's been like how long, man? Like 5 months since we've ridden that thing? Huh?
April.
April. Dude, April it's been.
No, wait, we rode it once in Vancouver in May, didn't we?
Yeah, we did. Yeah. And then that was it.
And then you broke yourself.
Yeah, then I broke myself. We're almost there, man. We're almost there. It's because of my nimble fingers. All right, we're close, man. We're close. I wish this was coarse thread. It would have taken so long.
You can't get a good adjustment on coarse thread. It'll be too loose. All right, tell me again, what is that you got there?
It's a jack shaft for my triple tandem tall, so it can ride as a single rider. All right, so we're just gonna go. Oh, check that.
Does it spin?
Oh, yeah.
How bent is it?
It's well, we won't tell. we won't tell till because he's right. We could have bent this that first night when we were trying to use this stupid fucking vise, and I think we might have bent it. I don't know, but it sure feels good right now. Now, folks, I got her fixed, ready for this weekend. So how my jack shaft works is this is for the top person. As you can see, this person on the left has to pedal when they pedal, but if they stop, they can pedal without this person pedaling. It's an awesome bike. Can't wait for people to ride it and see their smiles on their faces this weekend. So stay tuned for my next video. I'm going to be working on the chopper. Peace out, everyone. Remember, helmets on and just go. Go, 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 go.